Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these Moretoes boxes have been my saver because I love to give away things that I make or I just may buy or find, and I love to give them away to my family or friends. And this little box is super easy to assemble. I love that they can be just ready for me whenever I need to use them. And it's really deep enough to hold cupcakes or macaroons or sometimes just gifts. Like I found these little tea bags that I love and I give away to some of my friends. Sometimes just pastry if in a coffee shop and they're ready. I love that. They are super cute, they're adorable, and I love that they have this transparent window that you can see the item inside, and that makes it look even more elegant. And that's my point of view.